Hello everybody, we just got another entry signal into Bitcoin. The last one was back here in end of June this year, just above the important psychological level 100,000, where we had a momentum move. Now we've got another consolidation, and that triggered another entry signal. So that basically confirms that we are pulling away, right, moving away from the magnet level, the 100k. So now it's about to develop a momentum move. We haven't seen this yet, breaking the big number. A momentum move, as you know, is a big bar, right? Either a series of consecutive bars similar to that, or it could be as well one big bar, right? So these 3 or 4 together, it could be as well one big bar. So some sort of momentum move that brings us into the target area, which is around here. I think it's 170,000, 180,000. That's the target area. It's not very far, right? So it could even go beyond that. But basically, for a good sized momentum move, well, that's where we get. So it's a good sized bar, a little bit bigger, basically a little bit bigger than this monthly bar we had back there, or something like a little bit bigger than this monthly bar, or it could be two bar months, obviously. Now let's have a look at the why is this an entry signal. Well, it's an S1 pattern. We have 3 touches. It's not super clear 3 touches. I mean, this is one swing touch. You can, if you want to be like really looking very close, well, this is another touch. Well, let's call it half a touch, right? This is clearly another touch. Well, we've got a color change, so that might be another half touch. So it could be, I would say that's 3 touches. That is sufficient for being 3 touches. With the crypto charts, we are more forgiving and more intuitive. So we've got a breakout bar, a test bar. Then that was already a rebreak, but actually that has broken the test bar high. But I actually like to wait for confirmation. Now this is the bar that confirms a bar close beyond beyond the line, and then another bar like today that breaks the high of that bar, and that's what happened here. It's basically double confirmation, bar close above the line, and then another bar, intra bar, that breaks the high of that bar that closed. So this is the entry basically. Let's see how far that goes. We've got a stop run level here, and a very important one here, let's see how that develops. I'm quite positive. I think we've waited a long time now. I mean, that really took time here from the long-term entry signal back here end of October 23. October 23. That's a long time. So we had 2 patterns here. These were patterns. I think these were daily patterns as well. Yeah, these were daily patterns as well. Well, now then we had another daily pattern here, a smaller one. Now we've got another daily pattern, a smaller one. Well, we've one pattern building on another one, right? And we just hope to see an exponential rise here. We haven't seen it. It's basically linear. On this log chart, it's a linear move, but we get exponential moves on a log chart, right? And that's a tremendous rise in price. This one went from 3,500 from down here. It went to 60,000, right? These type of moves we're looking for. So let's see. Looks pretty good. Ethereum looks a bit weird. Let's see if I can get prices. It's a bit weird. So this is the pattern, the 4-hour pattern in Ethereum. We've got a long stretched pattern. We don't really have a breakout bar. I mean, for a system 1 forex, this is a breakout bar, goes right to the 21. But I would actually prefer to get a deeper move. But price is already moving. Well, it can still come, or if Bitcoin starts to move, this will be good enough as well for Ethereum. Nice series of stop run levels here, right? Once this moves, this can move nicely higher. We have already triggered here this long-term entry signal, and this could be the start of a long move, right? That hits a 50 bagger. That's what we're looking for, a 50 bagger from current prices.